Okay guys, having a lot of questions now. How do we get from the airport into Benidorm? Of course, if you're coming on a package tour, it'll all be included. About an hour and a half on the coach after you've got to the airport. Yeah, is there a better way? Is there a cheaper way? Definitely a cheaper way. Is there a better way? There's a lot better way to do this. Costs a little bit of money, but yeah. Okay, you can see some of the coaches coming in. They come in every few minutes. So yeah, some on package deals, some the TUI coaches coming in. They don't use their own coaches, not very often. This is the first one anyway. Called the Welcome Pickups. Now we've got an affiliate link for this below, be in the description as well. €96 for 4 people to get a private transfer from the airport into Benidorm for 4 of you. €96. I don't think that's expensive. The guy, if you get delayed, the guy will wait for you at the airport. Yeah, absolutely brilliant service. That is number one. We have got the affiliate link for that one in the description. Next one we got Benny Connect. Everybody knows Benny Connect if you've been to Benidorm. They're $16.52 per person. I'll put you in the way there. Yeah, this has got to be booked beforehand, as far as I know. Next one is the cheapest one, and I spelled it wrong. The also bus. That is £10 in the day, and out of hours it's going to be €13 to come through. Runs 24 hours a day. Maybe a great option. I think they run every hour, so you may have to wait a little bit, but that's definitely the cheapest way of doing it. Nice coaches. Yeah, I've actually spelt that wrong. Never mind. Here's another Uber. They're 126. That's for 6 people though. That's the van they do. I take it's a minibus. Yeah, there's. This is where you get dropped off if you come on the Alpha bus. It's just at the end of the strip there, up by that shopping centre place. Yeah, it might be a bit of a walk to your hotel. That's the only downside with that. All the others you'll get dropped off pretty near your hotel or at your hotel. Yes, that's pretty about that shopping centre there. There's barely anything in there now. There's a few offices upstairs. Yeah, and there's the bus again. Don't know why I put this on twice, but they are good for getting to the airport and getting back. They run regular. So if you've got no other choice, then that's the one you need. You don't think you have to book, you can just get on and pay your money. A lot of people getting stuck in Benidorm. This is the way to go if you're getting stuck, so you don't miss your flight back. So yeah, lovely day today in Benidorm. Not clear blue skies, but it was 23 degrees to be honest, and nice and warm. Here we go, some of the other buses coming in and out. See how regular they run, guys. Every couple of minutes these are. There'll be a coach going somewhere. Great bus service as well in Benidorm. They are pretty regular, the buses. Every 10-20 minutes, depends where you're going. And yeah, got a really good bus service there. Another one of the buses, they're probably off the airport, these ones, because we're on the airport way out. They tend to go up this way and straight up to the airport. And of course we get them coming in as well. There's another one of the Benny Connect. Benny Connect are using Benny Group Benidorm, I think it is. Yeah. So yeah, they won't get picked up by the Benny Connect ones. There's one of the Jet 2, no, EasyJet coaches, just bringing people in. And another coach there going up. Amazing how many coaches come through here a day. There must be thousands. So, okay then guys, what do you think? Was any of help to you? Let me know in the comments how you get into Benidorm. Do you just come on the normal package deal and yeah, with the transport provided into Benidorm? Or do you come, just get the flight over here, book an hotel and get your own way to Benidorm, your own transfer? It's been a different video guys, so I hope it helps somebody. Don't forget we have got the affiliate link if anybody wants to use that. That's a nice car that you'll get, and obviously your flight's delayed, there'll still be there waiting for you when the flight gets in. It looks like a great way of doing things, that. Maybe it costs a little bit more, but don't forget that's going to be cut your time down actually getting off the plane. Once you're through, it's going to be less time. You're not going to go around all the hotels, you're going straight to your hotel. So 3/4 of an hour, maybe hour at the most, I would have thought, and you'll be in your hotel. Yeah, so have a great time when you're in Benidorm. You might even meet my friend here if you get down the zoo. Yeah, that's one thing to try when you're here in Benidorm. If you like your zoos, go up to the zoo and go up independently if you can, because I know the trips, they don't allow you that much time up there, a couple of hours and that's it, and there's more up there to see than a couple of hours. So guys, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one, and hopefully you've enjoyed this one. See you on the next one guys, bye.